everybody? This is Antonio, the automated coach, and I'm here today to show you how you can build an AI agent for any situation that you come across. You can upload a list of your leads, give it to this AI agent, and have that AI agent make outbound calls for you, or you can have that AI agent accept inbound calls and handle those for you, set calls on your calendar, grab their information, all types of things. So you don't want to miss this video. Give me a like, give me a love, give me a comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on the inside. Yeah, so in this video, the first thing that I'm going to do is go over, and I have a prompt prepared. This prompt is going to create the AI agent. And so let me read you the type of prompt that I told ChatGPT to create for me. I said, I'm going to give you a program that I want to create an AI agent to get clients around. And I want you to create a prompt that will create a cold calling assistant that calls my leads and set calls with me so that I can have a consultation with them and give them a 14-day free trial. Here is the site to get the info about the program from. So I gave it my website. Let me see if I can show you my website real quick. Or what I'll do is I'll just copy it from here. Let me copy it from here. Take it over. I'm going to show you the website that I had ChatGPT take a look at and pull from. This is the actual website, where this website is all about selling AI agents. You see this AI agent right here in the corner of the page of this website. So this is the agent in the corner right here. This is exactly what this website is selling. And what this is not the object of this particular video, but this agent that's in the corner right here also gets people to book calls. So that is the website that ChatGPT is going to take a look at, and then create a prompt for me. So it created this prompt. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go and paste it in and train the new AI agent. I'm going to go to Dialora.com. If you want to grab Dialora, click the link in the description of this video. Come over and have a conversation with me, and I'll sell you a platform just like this. Won't cost you a whole lot. Just get in touch with me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Create Agent. I'm going to use the AI Recruiter agent. I'm going to click on Outbound. I'm going to use because I want to. You can create an outbound agent and an incoming agent and an inbound agent. So if you want phone calls to come into you and you want an agent that can handle those phone calls, that's your inbound AI agent. If you want your AI agent to make phone calls on your behalf and set calls for you or whatever you want it to do, that's your outbound agent or your outgoing agent. But I want an outgoing agent right now. So I'm clicking on that. I'm going to name my agent. Let's see, let's find a voice that I like for my agent. I think let's scroll down a little bit. Let's see, Aria. Let's see how Aria sounds.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
So what I'll do is I'll use Aria for this demonstration. Now I'm going to write in the welcome message. And what it's going to say is, hey, first name in curly brackets. We'll put the actual person's name. We'll make Aria speak the actual person's first name. First name. I'm Aria calling on behalf of Coach Antonio, how are you today? That's Aria's opening line. All right, let's go down and it says, let's assign a phone number. So this is the phone number that I'm going to assign. Let's assign that phone number. Now let's go up. Aria is going to speak English, but you see all the languages that Aria could speak: Danish, Dutch, French. We're going to speak English today. I'm also going to, now I'm going to place the prompt in here, the one that we got from ChatGPT. I'm going to place that prompt in here, and in that prompt, ChatGPT called Aria Ace, but I'm going to rename Aria in this prompt, and just kind of scroll down and see if I need to change anything else. All right, looks good, looks good. Name. So I'm gonna do it just how they did it, probably. Well, let's see. Username. Agent name, business name. All right. So I'm gonna leave this. I'm going to leave. No, I'm gonna take this bit out. That this was already in there, so I'm just gonna remove that probably. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that. And that is going to be our AI agent. Now, I don't have a workflow yet, but what I'm going to do is I am going to save this agent. I'm going to go and create a workflow. Then I'm going to come back and attach it. But let's see what Aria sounds like right now. I'm also, as a matter of fact, I'm not going to create a campaign in this video. I'm going to create a campaign in the next video and show you how you upload a list to this actual and give a list of phone numbers to Aria and have Aria reach out. In this video, I just want you to see how Aria sounds. That's all I want you to see. So let's take a listen. Hello?
Hey, I'm Aria calling on behalf of Coach Antonio. How are you today? Hello, can you hear me okay?
I hear you just fine. I'm doing great. How are you?
Great to hear that. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Hey, you actually came across one of our AI productivity pages recently. Not sure if you just remember that. And you asked someone to reach out to you. Did you find what you were looking for? Or are you still exploring ways to automate your outreach and appointment setting?
I'm still exploring. Can you help me?
Okay, I get it. Can you walk me through what you are hoping to improve around your current outreach or lead follow-up?
What I want to do is I want to create some AI agents to handle support for me.
That's interesting. Just so I understand, is appointment setting something you're trying to automate, delegate, or just improve?
I'm trying to automate it, delegate it, and improve it. Yes, absolutely.
Right? That makes sense. Well, the reason I'm reaching out is because we're giving a few businesses early access to a new AI call setter. It books appointments for you 24/7, follows up with leads automatically, and basically replaces 2 to 3 human setters. We're letting people try it for 14 days, free to see if it actually increases their booked calls. If it did work for you, would improving your booked calls be something worth exploring?
Absolutely.
Cool. The next step is simple. I'll book you for a quick consult with Coach Antonio. They'll walk you through the system, show you how the AI setter works, and get you into the 14-day free trial. What does your availability look like today or tomorrow?
I'm free today at 5 p.m.
All right, let's see. Just to confirm, that's today at 5 in the afternoon, right? Could you please share your full name, email, and phone number so I can get you scheduled? Also, what time zone are you in?
My full name is Antonio Bailey. My time zone is Eastern. My email is test@gmail.com.
Got it, Antonio. Just to confirm, your email is test@gmail.com and you're in the Eastern time zone. Could you also share your phone number?
Yes, my phone number is 404 500 8715.
Perfect, Antonio. To recap, your phone number is 404-500-8715, and you're in the Eastern time zone. I'm booking you for a consult with Coach Antonio today at 5 in the afternoon. Sound okay?
Sounds amazing.
Glad to hear that, Antonio. Looking forward to helping you get started with the AI call setter. Have a great day.
All right, you too.
Thanks for
Hey, need I say more, people? Need I say more? Now, in the next video, remember, let me say this. Give me a like, give me a love, give me a subscribe. If you like this video, you definitely give me a subscribe. In the next video, I'm going to put the full campaign together, complete with a list, and I'm going to show you that I'm going to show you that Aria will call these people from this list. I don't care if the list is 500 or 5,000, Aria will call these people on this list. Listen, if you like this video, give me a sub, and reach out to me if you want to get your hands on this platform. I'm going to give it to you I'm going to give you the platform, and I'm also going to help you set everything up for a very reasonable price. I look forward to doing business with you. I look forward to speaking with you. Give me a sub, come back to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.